Get used to it. Okay?
How about this? In my socks. Wow! Jesus Christ! I can't believe it! He's so fast!
What are you afraid of? He's a little puppy.
He's just always chasing me! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's a chaser. He's such a chaser. He's such a chaser. Right, Daddy?
Yep, go run. Let him chase you.
Oh my gosh! He's chasing me so much!
He's gonna get you. Just pet him.
I don't have this energy for him.
That's how we feel with you.
Don't do that to me. How about we do circles? Is that a great idea? Look, we're doing circles. We're doing so much circles. Like circles. Like he's happy in our new house, right?
Go run. Let him chase you.
Why? Why? Why is this happening?
Because he likes you. He's playing.
I hope he doesn't let me.
Go get him. Go get him.
He's a cute little dog. Come on, follow me. Right here. Okay, that's it. Run. Run.
He's gonna get you. Go one more time. Go one more time. Go.
Go.
Oh, he's right there.